Calgary with a wind chill of -14. Good afternoon, I'm Pete Curtis. Here's what's making news right now. Patience. You will need that for the drive home this afternoon. Roads crews are focusing their efforts on routes out of the downtown core this afternoon, as well as major roads. And if you get stuck, the AMA says the wait for a tow is in excess of 30 hours. Keep it locked here on City News 660 for traffic on the ones and the major problem areas. So far, the city says there are no plans for a snow route parking ban. As for the airport, there have actually been very few cancellations. There are some delays for de-icing of planes. An airport spokesperson tells City News the biggest problem is getting to the airport. And Calgary police are hoping to get any